In this tutorial, we'll look at how to create listing campaigns by scheduling eBay auctions with a product group series or a product group set. Scheduling with a product group will enable you to create an auction campaign of multiple products. This will eliminate the legwork of scheduling auctions for each individual product. When scheduling as a series, SellerCloud will post all products in the product group in a random order. Scheduling with a product group set, however, will give you much more control over how the products are listed, as we will show later in this video. Let's first look at creating a product group. You can create a group by opening the Company Settings toolbox and selecting Product Groups. Name the group and click Create New Group. Now add products to the group. Another way to add products to a product group is on the Manage Inventory page. Select the products to be included in the product group and click Add to Product Group on the Action menu. Now, save these items into an existing group or create a new group. You can manage your product groups by clicking on Product Groups in the Inventory menu. Use these filters to filter by SKU or by the date the group was created. You can remove a product from the group by selecting it and clicking Remove Product on the Action menu. Now that we have our product groups, we can create an eBay auction campaign with a product group. Let's start with the Product Group Series. Hover over the Inventory tab and scroll down to Product Group. Now select Product Series from the submenu. Now click Create New Series. Select the company that has the product group you need and select the product group. Let's explain the product series settings and how to get the most out of them. With certain restrictions, eBay allows duplicate auction-style listings. In this box, enter the amount of listings you want per product. However, it's best to keep the number low, or even at only 1. The posting interval is the time of interval between the posting of one product in the group to the posting of the next product in the group. This feature capitalizes on the fact that eBay is more likely to display for a search result an auction ending in 5 minutes than one ending in 5 hours. By spacing the posting time, and by extension the ending time, you may influence eBay search results and sell more inventory. The listing duration is the duration of the listing from the time the product is posted. The options in this dropdown are all the listing duration options allowed by eBay. In this box, you can set the date and time of when the posting of the product group will begin. Enabling the blackout time option will display a start and end time. In these fields, you can set the time of day you do not want to sell your item. SellerCloud will not schedule an auction during the blackout time. Selecting the recurring option will enable SellerCloud to continually schedule listings at the set frequency until the set end date. Product groups that have a high sell-through rate should be set to a shorter recurring frequency to ensure that all the items are continually posted until the inventory has sold out. Please note, the Windows Service Product Group Auction services must be activated in order to allow a recurring auction. This service can be activated by SellerCloud support. Now save your product group series. An action menu will appear where you can preview and generate listings. Now let's look at how to schedule an auction with a product group set. Similar to a product group series, scheduling an eBay auction with a product group set uses pre-configured product groups. However, scheduling with a product group set will give you much more control over the time and duration of the listing. Hover over the Inventory tab, scroll down to Product Groups, and select Product Set from the side menu. On this page, you can manage your existing product group sets or create a new one by opening the Action menu and selecting Create New Product Group Set. Choose the company in which your product group is associated and enter a group set name. Now select a product group. Schedule a date for the group to begin listing. If applicable, you can also enter a date for all listings to end. Now enable the listing. Check Recurring if you want the campaign to repeat. As mentioned earlier, scheduling with a product group set gives you more control over how the product is listed. For example, in a group of 3 products, we can schedule it to list on Monday at 10 o'clock a.m. We can list it with a 3-day duration. Then we can schedule the other products for different times and days of the week, as well as a different listing duration. If the product is eBay ready to list, a green check will appear next to the item. A red X will appear if the item is not. Hover over the red X and a message will appear listing all necessary actions needed. When the group is ready for listing, open the Action menu and click Generate. Product group sets can be managed either through the Inventory tab by selecting Product Groups, or at the product level by opening the toolbox, scrolling down to Product Group, and selecting Group Set from the submenu. To see your scheduled auctions, open the eBay listing page on the Inventory menu. For more information about scheduling with product groups, please visit wiki.sellercloud.com.